anything. We're going to let the weather do that. And we're going to take it nice and easy. Okay, we're flanking this storm that showed rotation developing. It merged and a big rotation in front of us, and we're heading towards Oklahoma City, and that's where that's going.
A storm that was forewarned and is now just a severe thunderstorm, looks like. But yeah.
On for just a second.
Sure.
Okay. That's where we're going. It's coming right our way. I saw it up here.
Oh man, we're gonna get a beautiful view and it was not. Don't go any further, just sit.
Yep. But it's there.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, there it is. Tornado. Yeah, go ahead and report it. It's on the ground, Lauren. Can you save that scan
Yeah, of course.
to this spot? No, Lauren. Whatever.
That is gorgeous. Zoom out. It's pixelated. Zoom out. Zoom out. Awesome. Ah! Dude, look at that.
Tornado.
Keep an eye on that.
I know. Tornadoes.
It's Friday the 13th of April 2012. We've got a very slow-moving tornado on this very slow-moving supercell near the Wichita Mountains. Now let's go a bit
It's
east.
past the road, isn't it?
Yeah. But we need to watch to our south.
Right down.
Yeah, it's on it.
Yeah, it is.
Ah! It's so slow-moving.
You're getting great video. Yeah, it's a tornado.
For real?
For real
I didn't
city.
believe it at first. I'm like, crap. Oh my god.
Yeah, that's a tornado for sure. Good time. Really?
Oh yeah.
You mean that one that's from over here?
Yeah. Alright, so let's turn around. Back here, we're gonna turn around. Come on.
Really?
Oh, hell yeah. Here, keep on.
Yep. We probably got another one coming back here.
Yeah, we need to turn around.
Big super still. Tornado. Supercell. And we're out of here.
Yeah, turn around.
Awesome.
Turn around. I know. Wedge.
video. Where are we anyway?
We can go north. I want to go north. We're north of the woods. Thank you for your cooperation.
But are you sending us into convectivitis?
No,
You promise?
it's forward flank. We're just going east.
Nice wedge tornado. Much bigger. Oh, it's big. Oh, big, 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 big. Look at this, Lauren.
I see it. It's crazy.
You see that? God dang, that's a big tornado. Do we have to turn around? Mile-wide wedge tornado. Lauren, are you sure? We're going north. We got an out? There's a certain point, there's a point of no return because we can't get back. Okay. There's a tornado right there. There's a tornado right there. See it? Big cone.
Yes, I see it. Right here. I'm trying to navigate. I'm sorry. Wow.
Isn't that a great tornado?
Yes. Sorry. Not that big. I'm just kind of watching.
It's coming our way. This road. Really? What now?
Now, like right now. I don't think this is me. We aren't going to get to the road that we need to go east to stay.
It's coming our way and it's a mile wide. So it's getting that way.
All right, go north really fast though, please. We go a lot faster.
Okay, then we gotta. We're committed now. Place is going away. No, it isn't. Yeah, it is. It's coming right here. Are you kidding? Big tornado right there. Bye-bye. It was fun. We're out of here. Oh, and there could be more.
I know, that's what I kept trying to tell you. And you're not listening.
Well, I'm listening now.
Head east or drive south, and then we're gonna go east. We have to get ahead of it. Dissipated in there. We're one towards southwest.
Oh,
So
you're
we're gonna
kidding.
continue to go east, yes. Beautiful, beautiful structure on this storm. To the right of that red light actually does look like a wall cloud. You can see the stack plate mezzo, and when lightning illuminates it, the inflow tail coming in from the east, upper levels. The storm. That's fantastic. I'm still majorly powerful, majorly rotating. And poor parts of Oklahoma right now are still under a tornado watch until 4 a.m., which makes sense. There are actually storms to the west that the environment's primed. So as you can see here, crazy structure on this storm. Right now, probably over Blanchard, Oklahoma. We actually were just sitting in Blanchard and thankfully checked the radar. Although I do not believe at this moment the storm is tornado warned, and hopefully the residents there are just fine. So probably passed just north of town, but beautiful structure. So we actually are gonna head north now to see what we can see and get closer to Norman.
Beautiful. Are you getting it?
Oh yeah.
Big tornado.
This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. What a relaxing end of the day, Dad. Ice cream and like anvil crawlers. Wow. Oh my god. I did too. Wow. See more of like a return. Oh, beautiful. It's cool to see the cloud structure too.